Okay, open one of them. There's the rice. Okay, I don't know how I can film this, and I'll just set you on top of that. Bust out the seaweed. Okay, hang on. I guess there's some kind of deal where it's really hard to fold, but it looks like, to me, oops, yeah, as you can see, it's already wanting to do it to itself. So I'll just put this right here in the middle, let it do itself. There it goes. Yeah. Not sure if you're supposed to lick it like make it stick or what. But here we go. Okay, I'll put this here. Okay, for crumbs. Alright, itadakimasu! Okay, well, so far it's just rice and seaweed. I nicked the middle. You can kind of taste it. It's a little spicy. It's good. Score! Going for one more bite. Mmm. I got the middle that time. Can't say I can make out what it is. But it's good. Real good. Alright, I'll eat the rest. Later, y'all.